Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove the external email warning in Gmail Google Workspace. If you've been finding those external recipient warnings unnecessary or distracting for your organization, this quick adjustment will help you disable them completely. First, open up a web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is your Google Workspace admin portal where you'll have full control over your organization's email settings. Once you're there, sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account. Make sure you're using an admin account, as regular user accounts won't have access to these organization-wide settings. After signing in, you'll land on the admin console homepage. From here, click on Apps. This section houses all the Google Workspace applications your organization uses. Under Apps, you'll see several options, so click on Google Workspace first and then select Gmail from the expanded menu. This takes you directly to the Gmail-specific settings where you can control how email functions across your organization. Next, look for and click on the option labeled End User Access. This is where you'll find the settings that control what your users see and experience when sending emails. In the Organizational Unit drop-down menu at the top, make sure to select your top-level organization. This ensures that the changes you make will apply to everyone in your workspace, not just a specific department or team. Now scroll down through the settings until you find the one labeled Warn About External Recipients or External Recipient Warning. This is the feature that triggers those yellow banner warnings when users try to send emails to addresses outside your domain. To remove these warnings, simply toggle this setting off. This immediately disables the External Recipient Warning feature for your entire organization. Finally, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page to apply your changes. Without saving, none of your adjustments will take effect. Once saved, your users will no longer see those external email warnings when composing messages to recipients outside your organization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.